If you want to enhance your Xbox account security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your connected devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your console. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to sign in. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. This is usually found in the account management area. Step 3. View connected devices. Look for an option that says Manage Devices or Connected Devices. Click on it to see a list of all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Review the list and identify any old or unused devices. Click on the device you wish to remove to access more options. Step 5. Remove the device. Follow the prompts to remove the selected device from your account. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure the device is successfully disconnected. By following these steps, you can keep your Xbox account secure and free from old devices that you no longer use. Regularly managing your connected devices is a good practice for maintaining your account's security.